Pumpkin punch, definitely one of my family's favorite drink. Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll take you guys back in the kitchen with me and we are going to prepare this amazing pumpkin punch. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, tell your friends and your family members about Callie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe. Go ahead and turn on your post notification bell so you can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Follow me on Instagram, it's CallieKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Callie J's Kitchen. So I'm going to start by just plugging in my blender, and of course I'm going to go ahead and add the water from the pumpkin. I already went ahead and cooked my pumpkin nicely, and what you want to do, you want to just slice your pumpkin in some smaller pieces and go ahead and cook it until it is soft. And the same water that you cook your pumpkin in, you just want to save it. So once I add the water, I'm going to go ahead and add the cooked pumpkin, and you can add carrot to your pumpkin if you want, or you can just go ahead and just do the straight pumpkin punch as it is. Once I add the pumpkin, I will go ahead and cover it and blend it until it is smooth. Now, you want to ensure that it is smooth because we're not going to go ahead and strain any at all. All right? All of the ingredients that I'm using today, you can go ahead and check the description box for it. And remember, guys, to be creative. Remember to be you in the kitchen. And most of all, utilize whatever you have at home. So this is the blended pumpkin, all smooth and nice. So we're going to pour it out in a large container, of course. And once I pour it out, I will go ahead and, of course, mix that up well. Then I'm going to start by adding my supligen. And, of course, you can add the supligen, or you can add the pediasure, or you can just go ahead and add dragon, or you can add Guinness. Any one that you want to add. All right, but for today's video, I will add the dragon stout, and dragon stout is a little bit bitter, just like Guinness. It's a little bit bitter. So if you want to add malt also, you can always go ahead and add the malt. Now I'm gonna go in and add the supligen, and they do have the different flavors of the supligen. And also, if you don't want to add the supligen, you can always go ahead and add pediasure. Just a little bit of pediasure. I will also add the cinnamon and the nutmeg, and of course I'm going to add some vanilla flavoring, and always remember to taste. I will also add some of my condensed milk to sweeten, and again I'm going to tip a little bit of salt in it just to bring out that flavor in the juice and all of that taste. It's very easy, simple, and of course my family enjoy it and your family will enjoy it too. So make sure you go ahead and give this one a try, and remember to always leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you think. Again, guys, you have the option of adding the condensed milk, or you can just leave out the condensed milk. Remember to always taste just in case, because sometimes you don't want your punch to be too sweet. So once you mix that up well and it's all come together, it's time to go ahead and serve it up ice cold. And then I'm going to show you guys the final product. So stay tuned for all of that goodness. And this is it, guys, the final product of my amazing pumpkin punch. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think. Remember, guys, to subscribe to my channel. Remember to tell your friends and your family members about Callie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe. And remember to always turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. I can't wait to see you tomorrow. Bye.